The National Works Agency has announced plans it says should make the Spur Hill main road in Manchester safer. The Manchester Chamber of Commerce is partnering with several agencies to address the issue of road crashes along that stretch of road. TVJ's Krista Campbell has the details.
Operation Fix Spur Hill, the mission that brought several agencies, including the National Works Agency, the police and the Road Safety Unit together at a meeting in Manchester on Thursday. Spur Hill in Manchester, one of the crash hotspots that continues to push up road fatalities and has traffic police on edge. The National Works Agency, NWA, says it's working to make the roadway safer, and in the next 9 to 12 months, work will begin on the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project.
It will be a 4-lane road to accommodate, as I said, climbing lane, escape lane, and for persons to be in a position to properly and safely maneuver that particular corridor.
There will also be an alternative route.
It is a bypass that would take us from just outside of Santa Cruz all the way up to Hatfield.
The police say they will be carrying out routine safety audits to ensure the NWA improves road markings and signs along Spur Hill. Meanwhile, with larger units accounting for many of the crashes along that stretch of road, Commanding Officer for Manchester, Superintendent Wayne Cameron, says police and examiners have been checking trucks for mechanical issues before they descend Spur Hill. The police are also increasing a public education campaign to help reduce the driver errors which cause some of the crashes along that road.
You will not need to be applying that braking system when you know reach into the middle of the journey and you realize your vehicle is going too fast. That is when some person are now applying brake in order to slow down, and in a lot of instances it is way too late.
Krista Campbell, TVJ News.